Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Excuse me. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your almost daily update on SUI right now. But it was very much necessary today because we are experiencing a lot of bullish momentum, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame. We're actually on the 1 hour time frame. We are actually in an uptrend right now. But if you zoom out still to the 4 hour time frame, we're still in this consolidation, right? And that's what we also talked about in my previous SUI videos, and that's also what I've been expecting for the last, since its launch, that we would consolidate, which in my opinion is between 1.25, but if you watch these videos, you know my opinion on that. But I think it's between 1.25 and this level, let's say $1. And at some point of time, what I've always told you is that at some point of time, we will get that bullish breakout and a rally, I think. And now perhaps is the ideal time because Bitcoin actually opens bullish this week. And we broke above the 382 FIB right here in the last half an hour. So there's actually potential to get some nice bullish momentum. But in this video, we'll talk about whether that's actually possible and what would need to happen. So that's what we're going to be talking about. Before we do that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, I have my own trading signal group. Check out the links down in the description. It's very easy to join. And you will actually become a more profitable trader. The trading group has been profitable so far, and education is really my main goal. So now on to SUI. So to start off with some fundamentals, which is, I think, always interesting. Right now, if you take a look at SUI, which, can I check it out? Yes. If you take a look at SUI, you can see that the daily active addresses has been relatively low in the last 2 days. Not sure what's going on there. Daily transaction blocks has also dropped down significantly. Total value locked though is decent. I would say overall SUI has actually had a little bit of a bad start, because if you compare this total value locked with the total value locked on other chains, it's just not that high. But still, technically we are quite bullish right now, and that total value lock will definitely go up if we start rallying. All right, so right now the biggest thing is, and I've talked about this earlier, our main resistance level is 1.25. Basically there's this resistance level between 1.27 and 1.23. That's what we're trying to, we already found resistance there. We're trying to break above that. I think we're going to test that level. All right, I think we're going to test 1.25 and 1.27, but from there, I think we'll find a little bit of resistance. And with that resistance, we need to stay on top of at least 1.225. All right, that would mean that we have a little bit of a bullish breakout. And if we can do that, I think we actually have a shot to break above that. And if we break above 1.27, I think we'll rally at least up to 1.35. But there's a chance that we'll get a huge rally, because in the end, what I am still expecting is that we are going to get perhaps not a rally like Aptos did in the beginning, because Aptos went completely ballistic right here. Went from $3 all the way up to $17. But I am still expecting somewhat of a rally like what Arbitrum did. So if you take a look at what Arbitrum did, we had a rally from 1.19 all the way up to 1.73. So that's very much a possibility if we are able to break above 1.25. Now, for now, it's still the question if we can, because if we cannot break above that in the next 2 days or something, and we get there, but then we drop down below 1.225 again, then it's more likely that we'll drop down to 1.16 and 1.15 and perhaps even all the way down to 1.1 again. We'll just stay on the consolidation. But at some point of time, I think we'll keep testing that level around 1.25. And I think at some point of time, we will be able to break above that. But that's my take on SUI for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.